Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily hire employees on Indeed. So first is you just have to create an employer account. So visit their Indeed official website, which is this one. You can copy this. Then just click on the post a job or sign in or sign up. So from here, you have to sign in first and then tap on post a job. Now you can use your company email and fill in your business details, and then you just have to confirm your email address through the link that is sent to your inbox. After that is just post a job. So after logging in, click on post a job, just like what I've shown you earlier. Then fill in the key details like this one, like the remote customer support agent, the location, you can choose remote, job type, full-time, part-time, contract, just like this one. And salary range, this one. And then you can also write a clear and compelling job description, including responsibilities, qualifications, benefits, and then the application instructions. So after that, just review the applications. So I have skipped the step number 3 and 4 since those are just optional. But here you just have to review the applications. So go to your employer dashboard from here and then use filters like work experience, education, assessment completed. Then use the message feature to contact candidates directly within Indeed. So from here, as you can see, these are the candidates that you are going to be choosing from. So here, you can message them directly from the Indeed application or the website. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!